now we are because there's a red light.
There you go.
Hi, I'm Andi Mann from CA Technologies. I'm here at Gartner Symposium at ITxpo this year. Some really interesting things going on. Yesterday I was in a great session with Darryl Plummer, Research VP and Fellow at Gartner Group. He was talking about some really interesting predictions, top 10 predictions for the next year. Among them things like crowdsourcing, big rise in crowdsourcing, rise in 3D printing, the exposure of data. It was a really interesting prediction that you just won't be able to protect all your data. You need to be able to classify data and let some of it go. He actually said, just let it go. And this is really interesting. It tied in very well with what we were talking about today. I was presenting today on the digital revolution with Ken Piddington of Global Partners LP. Fantastic presentation. Really interesting the way that we could connect cloud, social, mobile, analytics, DevOps and APIs. And it really ties back to a lot of the things that are happening at the conference today. Talking about digitalization is pretty much the theme of Symposium this year. So we're definitely talking about the digital revolution, the speed that things are happening at, how you have to develop faster, deliver faster. And that means you need to use advanced techniques like DevOps. You need to be able to use APIs. That lets you crowdsource as well, opening up APIs into your software so that other people can start developing and adding value to what you've already done. That also ties into things like 3D printing, another big area of prediction here at Gartner. So being able to use the APIs to be able to build 3D things by layering on with 3D printing, very important. Also, when you're starting to talk about 3D printing, then you start to talk about how do you get plans for 3D printing? Well, out on the internet, get them from the cloud. So that was another area we talked about today, was using cloud computing to speed up your business, reduce your cost, make you more productive. And of course, analytics. You know, one of the big things that's happening with all of these new devices, the Internet of Things, with APIs, is the rise of data. Data's not much use until you analyze it. And so we talked again about analytics today. And remember, analytics is not just for your sales and marketing team, it's also for IT. So we talked a little bit about how you can use analytics to drive IT efficiency, free up resources, deliver new innovation. So together, all these things, DevOps, APIs, cloud, mobility, analytics, all come together. And at Gartner, the digitalization is how that all comes together. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.